Like that? Wait, do I have to swing that? Just hit the tip of my dick. We're good. It was just a tip. Just a tip. This is the fake exhaust. It's not even on correctly. Nobody's worried about that. We're gonna replace this bitch. Yeah, don't ever do that. Leovince, box, foam. I'm gonna keep this. We need this. Damn, bitch. That's hot. We love that. I forgot to take off the net. Did they send me some bent ass shit? I was positive there's supposed to be something else here. Hold on. I can't fucking read. More shit I can't read. Damn, you're loose. That's what she said. The Louis Vuitton exhaust. We're rich, bitch. Let's start her up. Let's give her a listen. Oh, fuck, she's in first gear. Okay, let's give her a listen. Wow! Sounds great! In third gear, when you're flying around, you're gonna look cool as fuck. Alright? That's all that matters. Now have a great day. I'm looking at the wrong camera. I got 2 cameras set up. Thanks for watching. And this is what it looked like. The LV bitch. And now hold on. Give her a little listen. You know, we got a small dick. It's cool. This is what people with small dicks do. We buy fucking loud shit to show off the small penis we have. It's fine.